and Javier's going to show you back there what it looks like. I mean, this airplane is packed. It is running at gross weight, and I really never do that.
No, feel sorry for the little plane. We packed too much.
November 20 Whiskey, runway 18, clear for takeoff, wind 170 at 3, new climb out, turn right, heading 220.
Clear for takeoff, runway 18, and on climb out 220, 3620 Whiskey.
Contact departure.
Over to departure, 3620 Whiskey. Have a great day. Good morning, departure, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, 840 and 220 on the heading.
Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, reason departure, contact, climb and maintain 3000.
I maintain 3000, 3620 Whiskey.
Saratoga 20 Whiskey, climb and maintain 4000.
4000, 3620 Whiskey.
Why aren't we doing the flight path?
Because we're doing vector, son. They're vectoring us around all the traffic.
Oh.
All right, guys, welcome to Flying Dirty. So here we are cruising right along. We are heading back to Denver. And first we're going to stop in Kansas. We're going to stop at Hugoton Municipal. Been there before. It's a pretty cool airport.
Number 20 Whiskey, my frequency 128.4.
128.4, 3620 Whiskey. 3620 Whiskey, 128.4.
November 20 Whiskey, thank you. Just one terminal altimeter 3034.
And it looks like they're up back there. They've been sleeping all day.
They did like a synchronized wake up.
So are you guys up now?
Yeah.
There they go. They're up. They've been sleeping ever since we took off from Dallas.
Yeah, 6254 for Roger.
That's what they do is sleep, sleep, sleep.
17 Charlie, November. Contact Kansas City Center 133.45.
Daddy.
So did you have fun, Isa, on the trip?
Yeah, I had fun.
You had fun? Yeah, it was pretty cool. But vacation is now over. It's time to get back to business as usual. But yeah, you know, this is why we enjoy having the airplane. We pretty much get to do what we want to do. We wanted to be in Denver Friday. We delayed it for 2 days because of weather.
Contact Kansas City Center
But that's what you can do with an airplane. I asked them if they wanted to spend a night at the hotel, but they wanted to go back to the family in Dallas. So that saved me a few bucks. But also it was more fun and entertaining, and we ate a lot.
Yeah, it was a lot of whiskey.
Yep, I drank a lot of whiskey.
That's not true.
That's code name for coffee.
And that is the code name for coffee. So I call my coffee, I call it whiskey. So every time I ask for whiskey, the people that don't know me, they try to give me alcohol. But that's the code name for coffee. Oh, yep, there it is.
November 540 Charlie Alpha, contact forward center 127.905.
Ah, yes. Yes, good coffee. That's what I do when I go to Dallas. Drink a lot of coffee. But yeah, it was cool. We had fun.
November 540 Charlie Alpha.
You know, and again, we've been thinking about changing the airplane.
Charlie Alpha, contact forward center 127.905.
Thinking about maybe getting something faster since we do these trips quite often. You know, the Cherokee 6 has been a fabulous airplane.
Delta 778, contact.
If I wanted to sell this airplane, I would have no problem getting rid of it right now.
Could someone buy an airplane and hire like a pilot to fly them there?
Yep. People do that all the time. So, which do you prefer, son?
Runway 42-9, go ahead.
Commercial or private?
Private.
Isa, which do you prefer, commercial or private?
Private. And my favorite YouTuber is
Runway
Daddy.
4209, Roger. You said you were ready to go
Favorite
now or in 5
YouTuber is
minutes?
Daddy. What's Daddy's YouTube channel name?
Flying
Alright, runway
Dirty.
4209, you
Flying
said from
Dirty.
Wichita Falls.
You sell shirts too.
I sell shirts too?
Yeah.
That's right. We sell shirts, hats, hoodies, all that good stuff.
Shirts,
Number
hats,
4209,
hoodies,
Rebecca.
and other goodies.
That's right. And Javier's going to show you
Whiskey Bravo,
back there what it looks like.
33.5.
I mean, this airplane is packed. It is running at gross weight, and I really never do that.
No,
Number 5,
feel sorry
Roger,
for
the
the
Alpha
little plane.
altimeter,
We pack too
3037.
much.
In the summer, you really have to be careful because density altitudes in Denver can get near like 10,000. So you would have a hard time. You really have to respect that density altitude. How is the flight so far back there?
Good. Very, very good. I was late for, I don't know, an hour probably.
2.
Yeah, they've been sleeping since we took off.
And different, like before the other two, when we went to Florida, it was through the clouds, cloudy.
Yeah,
Back to Dallas was the same and bumping.
it was very cloudy all through the trip
Runway 4209,
until this
contact
front
Fort
came
Worth
through and
now,
swept everything away.
127.95.
How you doing, Issa?
But yeah, I'm getting really used to this equipment. It's fairly easy to fly with this equipment in IFR. Like playing a video game almost.
November 20 Whiskey, contact Albuquerque Center 127.85.
127.85, 3620 Whiskey. Good day. Albuquerque Center, then start Saratoga 3620 Whiskey at 6,000.
Kansas City Center, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey. We have the airport in sight. We can cancel IFR.
3620 Whiskey, swap 1200 for exchanges. Good day.
Good day, 3620 Whiskey. Hugoton Airport, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey is turning final. Runway 20, Hugoton. Hugoton Airport, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, short final 20, Hugoton. I asked them if they wanted to spend in Dallas this morning. It was negative 2,500 degrees. Oh man, degrees. In Dallas, it was negative 2,500 feet.
How about what?
Albuquerque.
Albuquerque.